Hello! Oh, Lollie and Markie show from the middle of Rhodes town. So we were in Lindos and we've got a boat trip tomorrow, and we thought, well, we'll come to Rhodes today and we've got a boat trip tomorrow. So I thought we might as well stay and get a hotel tonight, and we've actually got another one for tomorrow night. It was so good, thought we'd do two. So, whereabouts are we? We are at the what's it called? The Astron Hotel. £111. I'll tell you probably when we're in the room tour. Absolute bargain, we think, from booking.com. We are literally, I don't know if you can see behind me, just down there where the trees are underneath is the sea. That's how close we are to the front, and the beach is just there. Go to the bottom, turn right. For 10 minutes, you're in the old town, which is just amazing. We've been there all day today. We're going on a boat trip later for like a piss up and that sort of thing. I might do some shorts from it if we feel like it. Beautiful Rhodes, it's absolutely stunning. So less mumbling, because obviously you want to do a hotel review. You're seeing this hotel, let's show you. So as I was saying, Astron Hotel. Now from the outside, it doesn't look much, but wait till you see the room tour that Lollie will do after this. It's we've had a quick look in the room before we've come out. Lovely terrace out here, a really nice clean terrace. Some nice little bars and that. Just around the corner is one of the best, let's just turn you this way, just around that corner is one of the best gyro places we found. Parking is a nightmare in Rhodes, so if it's white it's free, but you can't park this side of the road. If it's yellow, it's a very dodgy no. Like those is, you will be towed away. And if it's a white, you're right parking in it. We took about 20 minutes trying to find a car parking space, ended up down by the harbour there. It's only about a 5-10 minute walk, so not end of the world. But yeah, bars, restaurants. There's another bar I've just spotted there. Absolutely fabulous. Another one next door. Beautiful. Look at the lighting. So this bar's open from 10 to 8. So coffee, it's quite cheap, £3.50 for a latte. Beers €4. That's about the going rate. It's only a £3.30 can though. Snacks, classic toast, £3. Not bad. Pizza, £6.50. Again, not bad at all. Milkshakes, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, all fairly cheap. Beautiful clean bar. Booking in, the woman could not be nice enough. So breakfast we have in this lovely little foyer. This is annex. Look at the lights. So yeah. Hi. So yeah, we have the breakfast there tomorrow. So between 7:30 and 10. So we'll show you that. It's not like a big hotel. There isn't loads here to show you. Hello, it's me. So we're on the first floor. So these all lead to rooms, but I'll just show you the pool area. So just come in and down these stairs. We just love marble stairs. So the lifts are quite cool. We'll open one in a minute. Oops. Walk around. So down there is like your sports area. So you've got a separate loo. WC. We've got a sauna there, which I think you're going to have to book. Tiny little bit of a gym, and the pool area here, which is 1 to 1.48 meters deep. I mean, fabulous. What more could one want? It's lovely and cool inside. So they've said if the checkout's 11 o'clock, because it's so early, we can absolutely use every single facility up until our flight goes, if we're flying from Rhodes City tonight. Free of charge, and we can even have our own shower and that as well, so we freshen up before the flight. That is unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Right, hold on 2 secs. It's hot today, so let's just show you the old old-fashioned lift. It's quite funny, this. There you go. Open sesame. Ooh. Look at that. Cool, isn't it? First floor. Close windows. So, cool lights above us. It's very clean and tidy. It's a bit thing in here, but amazing notes. The main bar 8 till midnight. 24-hour reception. So this is our floor, which is just fairly straightforward. So let me just turn you around again. Right, okay, so out of the lift, we're 108. We're at the end here. So, knock on the door. Let me in, let me in. Well, hello. Oh, that is nice and cool here now. Right, I'll hand you over to Lollie for the room tour. See you soon.
Well, hello guys, and welcome to the Lollie and Markie show. Mark's just done a little tour of outside this hotel. So we booked this. We've still got the hotel up in Lindos, but we wanted to stay in Rhodes town today, as we told you earlier on. So we got this, and I think we got it off booking.com, and it's called what's it called?
The Astron Hotel.
Astron Hotel. And we got it for £111 sterling, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
There's a funny story actually. We went to check into a different hotel, didn't we?
We did.
And it was really posh, and we were sort of a bit disappointed until we walked in here. Anyway, so this is a junior suite. So you walk in, and initially what hits you, you've got a lovely sofa, nice and comfy. Excuse us guys, we've been out since 7 o'clock this morning, vlogging hotels and venues, working, and I look like Tommy Tomato, and I do apologise. Anyway, welcome to our new abode.
I think you probably could get someone on that, couldn't you?
Do you know what? It says junior suite, it probably could.
Yeah.
Have I got the energy to try?
No.
To be honest with you, no, I haven't.
But I just think you just take the bed. You wouldn't pull this out, I don't think, but just lay on there.
I think what you do is you just
just pull them
on
off,
there,
yeah.
But it could well. Maybe we'll check it later, but right now I haven't got the energy.
So you've
got a desk to work off.
Yeah.
Where Mark can do his editing on me.
Yeah.
You've got a little night lamp there, as Mark was telling you about. Sorry, I interrupted. You've got some plugs as well. You've also got this. I mean, it's huge.
Yeah.
Basic, simple. That's all you need. Lovely big deep drawers, actually. Really good.
Big mirror for you.
Yeah, full-size mirror for Lollie to get ready for later. You've got a fridge. There's nothing in it. We do get some complimentary water. We've got some cups, some coffee. Is it Nescafe?
Oh, we'll have a coffee in a minute.
Yeah. We've got a little balcony facing that way as well.
A Juliet balcony,
we've only just seen ourselves as we pull the curtain back. As I say, we've literally been in here for 5 minutes.
Yeah, although you can get on it. I mean, I'm going to be pretty honest. I mean, we're a bit gobsmacked, to be honest, aren't we?
Not too bad. Wave to your neighbour and all that joy.
I mean, you are very close to each other in Rhodes Town.
You are right in the middle of the city though, so we're literally 5 minutes walk to anywhere.
Yeah.
When I say 5 minute walk to anywhere, we've been walking around since about... What time did we get here?
We were here early. We were here about 11,
11. We've been walking around that midday sun.
So I'm just trying to open this.
Not good. Don't do what we do.
So that's how clean the kettle is. It's alright. It's not the best.
Not bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby.
Yeah. More plugs here as well, by the way.
Okay. Fabulous. I'll take you into here.
Do you like the office chair?
I do. The office chair.
Yeah.
It breaks it up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice. So you've got a massive... I don't know if it's 2 beds into one, but we will look at that in a minute.
Well, it's definitely two bottoms. I don't know about the mattress.
These, I mean, your bedside lamp, is that a bedside lamp? That
Yeah, I think
decorative,
so,
really
yeah.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah. What have we got down here? More plugs. Plugs. Absolutely tons of
Yeah,
plugs.
really, it's a workable.
Yeah.
I don't know if this comes on. Oh. There's a button. I can't see it's working.
You got something on the switches here. Oh, wash your room, do not disturb.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to do the bed test now?
Yeah, can do.
Yeah?
Oh, we get towels.
Yeah, nice fluffy towels.
Yeah, they are actually, to be fair.
If you go over that way and I'll
Yeah.
go this way, and then that will give me plenty of room. Oh my goodness, I don't believe I've been this
Oh,
tired off the sun in a long time.
it is hot here. It's been best part of the high 30s today.
Okay. Right, okay, so cool colours have nearly fit. Okay, you've got sheets, and then, oh, I don't feel so fluffy. You've got a mattress topper, but
Yeah.
it's like way thick.
Jeez.
Oh my God. It's going to be like sleeping on a cloud tonight.
We got to get up as well. Well, not as early as we needed to, but
Oh, that'll do me. Yeah, you were right. It's 2 bases.
yeah.
And it's also 2 mattresses. Feel the...
Yeah, but you've got this that goes right across.
Yeah, feel the thickness of that mark.
Wow.
And... Oh yeah, go on, just let me put that back together. Okay, I'm just going to do it quickly. Right, follow me.
Well, just on this was we walked past. Big
Oh,
telly
cells, yeah.
and a nice bit of marbling. It's just
Lovely colours.
I've just walked straight past you.
Okay.
So this is our proper balcony. I mean, look, 3 chairs, table. It's massive.
It's really big, isn't it?
Yeah, and we got a pool view. I mean, to be fair, the pool's not the greatest, but there's a pool.
In the middle of the
Yeah.
city.
So I'll show you that. Well, as part of, you'd have seen that as part of the walk around. I'm getting myself confused now. We're in front and backwards, but yeah. And the street view there. It's absolutely. To be honest, this was
111, I think.
quid, yeah. So there you go. Just want to go in and
Right,
follow you
okay.
through.
Come on.
Yeah.
So,
And then the throne check.
throne check. Absolutely fabulous. Loving the colours of the marble. I
Yeah.
love the decor of the room, actually, to be honest.
We haven't got. Oh, yeah. I was going to say, have we got any soaps or that? But
Yeah,
we haven't.
they've actually give us some. So we brought our own products
Yeah.
anyway. So
Olive
but
oil.
there's some lovely. I'll have to use my own conditioner,
Yeah.
using them, but there's some lovely shampoo and body.
What's the shower
Gel.
like, babe?
And you've got a big rainfall, and you've got a paddle head one as well. Which is just what we need now, isn't it?
And
so
how many
okay,
people?
I'm only going to say 3.
3 people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
probably.
you reckon?
Yeah.
Only 3, babe. Otherwise, it's just going to be wrong. We're not swingers. Promise you, we're not swingers. We
Hairdryer?
just got that off another YouTuber.
Yeah. What's that like?
Modern.
Hmm?
Oh, and blue.
Woo! There you go.
Modern and blue. Wow. I wonder
Wow.
if that's like infrared. Infrared, so like kills bacteria.
I don't know.
You never know. It looks trendy.
Well,
So on that note,
we will tell
from
you.
a very tired, hot and sweaty Lola Mark,
Well,
don't
we
forget to like, subscribe, press that notification button and come along with us and our jollies from...
Well, before we go,
Okay.
because we're going to put the breakfast on this as well
Oh,
when we
yeah.
have breakfast.
Yeah.
So we'll tell you what the bed was like after we slept in it and the breakfast, and then give you an overall review. Okay?
Yeah.
But
So, shall we do the Lollie and Markie show now, or should we do it then after breakfast?
we'll do it at the end tomorrow.
So, ciao
should
for
we?
now then.
Ciao for now.
See you later, guys.
Good morning. Back on the Lollie and Markie show. This time we're just showing you the breakfast here. So you got a couple of different juices, a nice coffee machine. You got a Nescafe if you want that, a nice mix of tea bags, lemon as well, packet mix, milk, water, and flavoured water. That might be mint, and that might be lemon, and then milk, danishes, meat, bananas, and chocolate. A lovely selection of cakes and croissants and that. Then you get your Lurpak puff butter. A nice fruit bowl. A bit of sugar there if you want a bit more, castle sugar. Lovely fruit section. The yogurt, we've just had a bit of this. Stunning. If you want your continental side, there. You got tomato sauce, mayonnaise and mustard. Tabasco. Don't like them. There's cheese pies, sweet veg, mushrooms, bacon looks alright. Bit of omelette there, scrambled egg, some fine leaves there, and boiled eggs there. Cakes. Cakes. Farm cakes. You got a nice selection of breads, brown and white. Some other selections of bread. Copper toaster. Nice selection of honey, peanut butters and jam. Good selection of cereals and all your bowls. To the upside, I will say the solid you shout. There you go. Last breakfast day at the Astron Hotel.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. All the way from fabulous Rhodes in Greece.
So yesterday we told you we'd come down. We've stayed at this, what's it called, the Astoria Hotel. Astron Hotel. So we're giving you a hotel tour. We're giving you the room tour. Just seen the breakfast. We thought it was going to be a budget hotel when we turned up outside because it doesn't look very impressive. But to be honest,
It's lovely, really nice. Beds are fantastic. Breakfast really good. And that's what you come to a hotel for, isn't it? You sleep and you're brekkie. Shower, a little bit dodgy.
yeah.
Shower room's amazing, but the shower itself was a little bit, we couldn't seem to get it to work properly. The rainfall. But the paddle one worked fine, didn't it? So
Yeah.
that was okay.
The telly had YouTube, Amazon Prime, and all that smart TV, so you could
It's a
just...
hidden gem.
Yes.
It really is a hidden gem. And for the price we paid,
And how much was it? It's £111?
it's £111 for the
Was it?
night.
Yeah.
We got some toiletries as well. Lovely fluffy towels. Like we said, the sleep was fab, absolutely spotlessly clean.
They're quiet as well.
Yeah, really quiet. Apart from the angle grind
Yeah,
this
for
morning.
breakfast.
But we did eat outdoors, so there you go. And 2 balconies.
Yeah.
There you go.
So all in all, for the first hotel here in Rhodes Town, I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10.
Oh, I was going to go the same.
Was you? There you go, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Yeah.
So we're off for a day in Simi today. We've got another hotel tonight. Then we've got another full day in Rhodes, another hotel. So you can only see good selection of hotels. So from the, what's it called, the Astron?
The Astron Hotel.
The Astron. We'll catch you soon.
We'll see you later, guys.
Only on the Lollie and Markie Show.